Principal as Vapya, teacher as Shyamani, Swami as Reshma, Pune as Mahalakshmi, narrator as Am and my friend Jansi, father as Swarna, mother as Usma.
Now teacher will enter the class.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, children. Please sit down. I think many were absent yesterday. Today again, how many members were absent yesterday? Up to where we completed yesterday? Start the paragraph. We are going to start the third paragraph. Sit down. Learn and get up. Coil spelling C-O-L-C-O-I-L-D. Sit down. Mahalakshmi. Full-threaded cobra.
F-U-N-L B-L-O-O-D-E-D.
Sit down. Okay, let's start the third paragraph. Spandana Nikhil.
The house was not electrified. It was a small rented room. I had just set up my medical practice and my earnings were making. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase, along with some shirts and dhotis. I also possessed the odd one solitary black coat which I was then wearing.
Okay, the homeopath. We said about the homeopath yesterday. Today we are seeing that the homeopath is living in the rented room and the room was not electrified. Okay, so he just set up a medical practice and his earnings. Okay, Swaminathan and Rajan. What are you doing? Coming school for talking. Where's the textbook? Then you can see from others and you can listen the lesson, no? What is this? Explain me the lesson what I am saying now. Where I am now?
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent.
I am talking about today. Your
The
lead in the
principal
topic.
entered the class with a flushed face and hard ominous look in her eyes. Swarna then wished that he was monitor at the moment, but he was there. The principal surveyed the class for a few minutes and asked her,
Sit down. Aren't you ashamed of what you did yesterday? I'm coming and sitting here thereafter. Yesterday who are absent? Stand here. Very irregular to school. Rishi, why were you absent yesterday?
but me headache is there, sir.
Where is the medical certificate?
At home, sir.
Bring tomorrow without any fail.
Okay, sir.
Go. Raja, why were you absent yesterday?
Sir, yesterday when I am coming to school, somebody said there is no school.
So you went back. Means on road which no for also will you listen to him? Don't you have any common sense? Bring later tomorrow. 2 rupees fine, 10 days suspension, and the whole day you have to stand on bench. Go. Indra, where were you absent yesterday? Where is the medical certificate?
Tomorrow.
Bring tomorrow. Where were you absent yesterday?
My hair stomach.
Where is the medical certificate? Bring tomorrow without any fail. No. Where were you absent yesterday?
My grandmother was dead.
Bring letter from my father.
I have no father now.
Then who is the guardian?
My grandmother.
Just now you told that your grandmother was dead.
Another grandmother.
How many grandmothers a person could have?
No.
Okay.
Sir.
At least you bring leave letter from your neighbors.
We are staying in Ellamat Street, ma'am.
So,
They are illiterate.
man, tomorrow you go to this fellow's locality and find out whether his parents were dead or alive and about his grandmother also.
No, my grandmother died in village, ma'am.
See, again he is saying some reasons. Ma'am, tomorrow you must go to this fellow locality. If this is not a fact, 15-day suspension. No. Why were you absent yesterday?
I went to management. Bring tomorrow. Be regular. You were absent yesterday. You came yesterday.
The principal delays my yesterday.
You can submit the letter and then go.
The principal and the ma'am.
Bring tomorrow. Be regular. You were absent yesterday. Where is the medical certificate? Bring tomorrow without any fail and be regular to school. Come here. Why were you absent yesterday? Won't you open your mouth?
He brought chain softly down on Swaminathan's right shoulder. Swaminathan kept staring at the headmistress with tearful eyes and matching with the left hand where the He brought chain softly down on Swaminathan's right shoulder. Swaminathan kept staring at the headmistress with tearful eyes and matching with the left hand where the cane was laid.
Don't leave me, ma'am.
I will kick if you don't open your mouth.
I could not come, ma'am.
Why?
Someone got my cap, ma'am.
Is that Rajam? Come here. Bring the peon. Say, what do you know about this fellow standing here?
Didn't I see you break the curtains?
Of windows in my ventilator room.
The brigand had nothing to say. It was a fact that he had broken the pane. They had seen it. There was nothing more to it.
Straight up. 15 days suspension. And the whole day had to stand on the bench. Till announced dismissal. I told them that is good. Okay, children, the time was up and tomorrow I'll discuss. Okay?
The next scene will continue in Swaminathan's home.
Ma'am, change my school, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
That principal ma'am is beating for me, ma'am.
Okay, we will discuss this matter with your father.
The father came after the office soon.
My dear, please give me your class. Please sit.
Where is my dear sir?
Swami, your father is calling.
Why not?
Take first.
Father is in
Come first, come.
Why you are so sorry, my dear sir? Nothing, Dad.
Why you say?
Nothing, Dad.
How you went? How you was?
That principal ma'am is beating me, Dad.
Why?
I don't know. For me and for my friends, that principal ma'am is beating, Dad.
Something wrong you did that day.
No, Dad.
Okay, I'll talk to your principal ma'am tomorrow.
The next day, Swaminathan father will meet the principal.
Good morning, sir. Namaste.
Good morning. Please take your seat.
This is Tom and I've been to school. How is my son in studies?
Yes, I called you to talk about your son only.
What happened? Is it anything wrong?
Yesterday, your son with other boys broke my window panes.
Is it? Then you must call him here.
For that sake only, yesterday I went to the class and assigned some tasks as punishment strictly.
That's right. We give all charges for you.
But when I asked your son, he was reluctant to answer.
Okay, sir. Sorry, I shall talk to him.
And another thing, when I spoke to him, he rudely walked out from the classroom.
Is it? He not discussed on this topic?
And in addition, he told that he will never enter the dirty school.
I cannot believe Bank took and set out to school this morning.
I guessed it, and I thought it's my responsibility to change his behavior.
Swami, Swami.
Dad, what you are speaking, Swami? What happened, Dad?
He broken his principal windows. Is it? Did you do this?
Where is the proof, Dad? Who sent you?
Your principal man showed me CCTV footage. Don't behave like this in your school. Do good and be good.
Okay, Mom. Sorry, Dad.
Okay, don't behave like this and go to school regularly.
Okay, Dad.